Hello friends. What are the working principles of floppy disks? Floppy disks are ancient data storage media that have an important role in computer history. The working principles and usage areas of floppy disks are explained below. Floppy disks are low-capacity storage devices that primarily store data using magnetic media. There is a thin magnetic layer inside them. This magnetic layer interacts with a magnetic reader-recorder head. When writing data, the magnetic reader-recorder head magnetically writes a specific pattern onto the magnetic sheet. While the data is being read, the header detects the magnetic patterns and is transmitted to the computer. Floppy disks were available in different physical sizes, 3.5 inches and 5.25 inches, and both had similar operating principles. Usage areas: data storage. Floppy disks were used to store and transport computer users' data. They became the primary portable data storage solution for computer users, especially since the mid-1990s. Important documents, programs, and other data were saved on floppy disks. Backup. Floppy disks could be used to back up small files. In order to prevent the loss of important data, backups were performed using floppy disks. Computer games. During the 1980s and 1990s, most computer games were distributed on floppy disks. Floppy disks were used to install and play games. Driver and firmware updates. Driver or firmware updates for some hardware devices and other electronic equipment were provided via floppy disks. Boot disks, special startup disks, boot disks used to start or repair computers were recorded on floppy disks. Data movement. Floppy disks were used to move data between different computers. It was preferred for data transportation, especially in the periods when USB drives were not common. However, due to their low capacity, risk of data loss, durability problems, and the rise of modern data storage technologies, floppy disks were replaced by larger capacity, more durable and portable USB drives over time. Today, the use of floppy disks is quite limited, and they are generally used for nostalgia purposes or special occasions.